So basically we're gonna take off, we're gonna put in a new carburetor right now, so I'm gonna remove the tank. Yo, I'm up in my bike, I'm a style of my bus. Fresh and one. Yo, I'm in here crazy.
Whole life on the can't find fresh last time, in a real life.
Let's get ready to rumble! I crazy bike, I'm gonna find him.
I believe I can fly.
Get to under this. Oh shit, it turned on. I'll put this aside. Make sure when you take out your tank, you don't rest your tank on the petcock, cause you might break it off or cause some damage. Gearbox removed, so we are going to do some more screwing here, so one screw here, so one more here, so we are take out the carburetor here. So that's how the bike looks without the gearbox. Alright, so see new carburetor here. You have some little wire. This is a new gas holder on my bike. The reason why I buy a new carburetor is because I have a problem with my own. As you can see, I run out of gas and bag of things that I carry the carburetor go fix, and it come like, you see me? No better. So this is a third party carburetor I buy from Superior Parts. The price is $4,500, but I ball it down and get discount. Basically I get it for $4,000. So I'm gonna take this one out and put this one in. Night still, so is it? It's a Springer brand new. I'll take this out. If you connect back the carburetor now, this is the choke. My choke, I have one little connection. Oh wait there. I think me did. Yo my G. Oh yeah, see there. This one changed to rated. So usually my choke would have go so boops. Connect on this. You see me? At least. Alright, so I got now put in the new carburetor. I not adjust anything. Hold on, the ear screw. About the ear screw, the idle screw. I'm gonna leave that idle screw in there. So basically, use back the same screw then. Will come with the old carburetor. Well, it never come with the old carburetor, it come with the bike. There I am a G. Yeah. Yeah man, press the screen. Yeah, me try to teach people and anything. You see me? He look your fat. Bomba! No front brake on them bunny.
Yende, come chop on a chair for me.
You alright with being on camera, sir?
Yeah, wow.
Don't you want one?
Good man. Alright, watch out, go on.
Watch it,
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Alright, so see, this are the old, well this is my old brake line. I change the brake line and put on this. Couldn't get no other colour, so and put on back my gas filter. Whole carburetor here. This carburetor good, you know, it's just that no ear screw 99. Ear screw that they right there, so gas in the door. So easy it. And for some reason floating night now works so properly. So we have to take out the piston out of the rev cable out of the carburetor. My easier way did if you take this out, you know?
No.
Push this down. And push it down also. So all of this go together. I'm going at full carburetor. Poor thing. So bad hungry. So you want to push down, or you want to push this all the way, have the cable go through the spring. Well, I'm scared trying to lose this spring here, you know. See, because the spring brand new, I have enough tension. So now you go so boops, push this down so, right it the wrong way, push it through so, and then this go over like so, and then this go in here so. Alright, you want to catch it the right way, so, and then go down, and just screw him down like rotted. Me have 2 extra sitting here, so haha, boom. Yes, that. Up now. Spin it all the way, make sure it's not stick. Just like so. Alright, so basically the carburetor in, so me I go screw up everything, you know. This are everything. That are everything on the ground. Alright, so I have a 10 now, so I'm going to just tighten down the nut here for the carburetor. So basically once we have the carburetor back in, drop it in the airbox. Oh, you want to make sure so everything go over here, so make sure so look a manifold here so fit on properly before you screw up everything. Alright, so basically it's a gas filter when I install. I wipe him down so it look pretty. So the gas filter basically take out any little sediments, any little dirt and them thing there from what would have come out of the tank. It filters everything so that it doesn't get in the carburetor. So basically I take off the hose there, I measure it, and then I give it a cut and then put the rest up really matter how long the hose is, but the hose not supposed to too long. You see me? Alright, cut it right there. So I take this off because my gas line them all them start. I don't even remember that word there, but get this off. Alright, me now better cut this down. Just twist this on.
Yeah.
So install a gas filter, it's very easy. All you do, you buy the gas filter and the gas line, you just cut the line and put the filter between it. Easy as that. So this is the filter. So now I basically drop on this on the carburetor down here. So now, yeah, like that. And then this goes to the gas tank.
Everything I get a smoke.
Alright, so we get the gas tank dry fit. Basically, we just put the gas tank on it, connect up back everything, and I'm going to turn on the gas now. Boom. So you're supposed to see the gas that run in this. Yeah. And it'll run go down the carburetor. So after that then it will start up. Alright, so we're going to do a first start up and see what's going on. Carburetor up. I'm not done with the brake, so I'm going to bleed this and see if we can get, not really bleed it, but I'm open this and pump it and see if we can get some pressure in it. And I'm going to screw up back everything here, so you see me. And this is all done by me, you see me. Change my carburetor by myself, I change this myself. This is kind of harder now because if I pump this and I not get nothing, I might have to bleed it and thing. Carburetor easy, pull off gas tank. And these bikes, which is the yeng bikes, it's easier to pull off the carburetor and go around. Yeah, because their carburetors are more exposed. See it here? So you just pull this and push it down and pull it off. Mine now, I have to pull out the gas tank and everything. So that's just how it is. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna screw up back everything and same thing again.